Hello everybody, welcome back to Evelyn's Fun Channel. Today we are going to open up
Na surprise. Little one and big one. Yep.
Yeah, so we have the teen Nana and we have the original Nana here.
And
this
it says bamboo.
Series 4.
This is series 1.
This is series 1 of the teen Nanas.
You see this bamboo? I'm getting this bamboo reminds me of someone eating a bamboo, but it's not a human, but it's an animal. Panda?
We are going to find out what it is. So first we're going to start with Penny. Penny's going to open up her Nana. So there's something here. What does it say right there, Penny?
It says right here, push here to open.
Okay.
I'm pushing. Like, no, when you're not doing it.
So Penny might need some help opening this up.
And it's Evelyn helping me because hers pretty strong. I want to open it. So this one is hard. Okay, so
Wow, what is it? How do you open that? Can we see the instructions? So it has these instructions right here. Looks like you blow it up with a straw. And then it pops open. Look at the packaging here. It has little bunnies, squares, circles, hearts, and kitties.
And bunnies.
Let's look.
Yeah.
Show us
Oh,
the straw.
I feel it. Oh my goodness, I feel fatty. Pretty strong. Straw come out. Pretty strong.
Is the straw made out of plastic or paper?
Paper. I kind of bended it because of bending issues. Okay, so let me find. No, I'm gonna try to find the hole first. I know.
There's a hole?
There. Yep, right here. It goes right here. I'm so excited. No!
Whoa! A bunch of confetti just came out.
Someone give me scissors. No, we have to open this right here. Oh God, it's so much. Ah, it's sticky. It's sticky. Oh yeah. We need scissors right there. No, I can't do it. I just want to. I'm gonna open it.
What is it, Penny? Oh,
It's a panda. I'm getting a panda. So here's a zipper. So we're gonna zip it up. Oh. Do you need help opening it, Penny? No. Okay. I'm gonna have this one, and I'm gonna have this surprise. I'm gonna open it up together. Okay. So, oh my God, I got the shoes.
Oh my goodness, look at all those little shoes. Let me see the shoes.
Need help? Are those my shoes? Oh
They're
my
like
God,
little-
this is the clothes.
But still looking
Oh
shoes.
my God. Oh my God.
Look at that fancy dress.
And then it has these little thingies so you can. Okay. Okay. We're going to open it right here. Like. Oh my goodness. I saw it.
This is pretty cute. It's a pretty fancy little dress.
She popped open. Wait, be careful. Oh my God. It's so fluffy.
Evelyn, let Penny show it.
Wait, let me twist it.
Evelyn, let Penny show it.
Look at that.
Penny. Oh my goodness, Penny.
So look at her hair. Is it so smooth? And look, you can't take it off. So, and look at her cute little eyes and the lipstick.
Can I hold it so I can show everybody? Look at her.
Can I put on her dress? You don't know how to put on your dress, do you?
Look at her little feet.
Okay. Oh my God, she's so cute. She's so fluffy. Oh. And you can definitely sleep. And we got a skirt. No, this is a
Her
dress.
hair is really soft.
Look. We got a dress. I messed up. Sorry. So let me put it on. And when I put on
gorgeous flowers.
when I'm done, I can show you.
Can I put on your shoes?
Okay. All right, everybody. This is our little Nana all dressed up with her little dress. It's so cute. This is probably the fanciest dress that I've seen in this series. And she's a little panda. Her hair's super long. And look at those shoes. Oh, she looks so cute with them on.
And look her fluffy hat. Is it so fluffy and her cute eyes?
Wait, we forgot something. This right here.
What does it say?
It says Series 4. You need help, honey? Oh, there you go. Okay. Can I open that little thing? And it shows right here her birthday and all that stuff.
December 12th. Always look at on the cute side of life.
Aww.
Aww. So
Her
then right
birthday
here,
is December 4th.
this shows all the little nanas for this series. We got Julie Joyful, and she's so cute. She looks just like Penny too. She has dark hair
Yeah, let's
and
put it
brown
together.
eyes.
See?
Look at her. So cute.
Yep.
All right, guys. So we are going to be doing part 2 with Evelyn with the teenage Nana. So if you want to see that unboxing, just go watch that video. Until next time.
Bye.
Bye.